Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Bounce with me through Antalya, Turkey, one of the Mediterranean's most dazzling gems. If you love sun-drenched beaches, ancient ruins, and picture-perfect waterfalls, stick around. In the next 10 minutes, I'll take you through the best time to visit, how to get there and get around, budget tips, and the must-see sights that make Antalya unforgettable. Let's hop right in. First up, why Antalya? Imagine turquoise water lapping against golden sand, narrow cobblestone lanes lined with Ottoman architecture, and cliffs cascading into the sea. Antalya blends beach life with history and outdoor adventure, so whether you're chasing sunsets, ruins, or fresh seafood, there's something for every traveler. And I'll show you how to make the most of it. Best time to visit Antalya, seasons broken down. Summer, June to August is peak season. Expect full sunshine, hot weather, buzzing beach clubs, and lively nightlife. If your goal is water sports and long beach days, this is your season. But remember, peak crowds and higher prices, so book early. Autumn, from September to November, is honestly the golden choice. It's the traveling kangaroo's favorite time. You get those warm sea temperatures, way fewer tourists, really pleasant days for hiking and exploring, and those cooler nights that just make you want to grab a light jacket. You'll enjoy long beach days, plus super easy access to historical sites without all the shoulder-to-shoulder crowds. Spring, from March to May, offers these blooming landscapes and mild weather. It's just perfect for outdoor activities, sightseeing, and of course photographing Antalya's natural beauty. Now for winter, it's actually pretty mild compared to much of Europe. If you're budget-conscious, winter brings lower prices and quieter attractions. Sure, some water activities slow down a bit, but the city's charm totally remains. So, how do you get to Antalya? Well, it's actually quick and smooth. So, if you're wondering how to get to Antalya, here's what you need to know. Antalya Airport, or AYT, is the main gateway, offering tons of international and domestic connections. From the airport, you can hop on the tram, catch one of the shuttle buses, or just grab a taxi into the city. If you prefer traveling by bus, Turkey's extensive intercity bus network links Antalya to Istanbul, Izmir, Ankara, and even more places. Overnight buses are super common and honestly, pretty comfortable. Now, if you're thinking about driving, well-maintained highways make a road trip to Antalya really easy. You might want to rent a car, especially if you're hoping to explore along the coast or check out some of those remote ruins and beaches at your own pace. Getting around Antalya is actually pretty smart and local. The tram and light rail system is efficient and modern. It connects the airport, the central city, and all the key districts. It's a fast and inexpensive way to kick off your Antalya adventure. And along the coast, you might spot a heritage tram. It's this nostalgic, scenic route that's just perfect for relaxed short trips and, honestly, some great photos. So, buses and Dolmuş, which are these shared minibuses, cover tons of routes in Antalya, and honestly, they're super budget-friendly. If you want a true local experience, just hop on a Dolmuş and ride like a resident. Now, taxis are definitely convenient and easy to find, but yeah, they're a bit pricier than public transit. Taxis are really best for those late-night returns, or, you know, when you're just short on time. Alright, let's get into the budget breakdown. Here are some approximate prices to help you plan for your trip. For accommodation, simple guest houses and budget hotels usually start in the lower range, while mid-range hotels can vary, and of course, upscale resorts go even higher. If you can, booking in those shoulder seasons can actually save you a lot. When it comes to food, street food and local eateries are really affordable. Honestly, eating like a local is the way to go if you want to save. You'll find fresh kebabs, gözleme, and meze filling up your plate for just a fraction of what you'd pay at tourist spots. So, when it comes to getting around, public transit is actually pretty cheap. And, you know, tickets for historical sites can vary. But honestly, a lot of the outdoor attractions, like beaches and waterfalls, are either free or really low cost. So, avoid peak season if you can. Autumn or spring gives you the best balance of weather and cost. Use public transport, the tram Dolmuş, and buses are wallet-friendly and efficient. Book flights and accommodation in advance, especially for summer travel. Eat locally. Street food and family-run restaurants offer huge flavor for less. And take advantage of free attractions. Beaches, parks, and roaming the Old Town cost you nothing but time and curiosity. Explore Kaleiçi, the Old Town. Wander through narrow streets paved with ancient cobblestones. Discover Ottoman-era houses, boutique shops, and cozy cafes. Don't miss Hadrian's Gate, a dramatic Roman monument, and the marina where colorful boats bob in the harbor. Kaleiçi is postcard perfect at golden hour. If you want beaches and nightlife, aim for summer but book ahead. If you want warm seas, fewer crowds, and a comfortable pace, pick autumn. For budget travel, consider winter months and benefit from lower prices. No matter the season, Antalya offers a blend of seaside relaxation, ancient history, and outdoor adventure that's hard to beat. Thanks for hopping along with Traveling Kangaroo on this Antalya guide. If you enjoyed this script and found it helpful, please subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel tips and destination guides. Follow us on social media and visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for detailed itineraries, booking tips, and exclusive content. Until next time, keep your travel pouch packed and your spirit ready to leap into the next adventure. Goodbye from Traveling Kangaroo.